Hello everybody, how do you do? Welcome back to another video, in this time fourth video of how to improve your bartender experience from bartender perspective. Today we're gonna continue after our first three steps. So the step number one, it was the napkin in front of a guest, welcoming your guest. Step number two was a glass of water. There we go. And right now your customer is choosing whatever he wants. So after a glass of water, your customer said, I would like to have, or give me, classic daiquiri. So classic daiquiri is on the way when you prepare your shaker, just like that, as I said. And now what we're going to do, we can now add the ingredients into the tin. But first we can also chill our glass. Ta-da! With a touch of flair, in this way I'm going to show you quickly how it is and what does it exactly mean. So there we go. So what I did basically, I was using two hands on the same time. So assume this hand will give you the thumb roll, which you can play with the glass, or you go in your back bar to take the glass, so you can still do something with the glass, except just only holding it like a grill. So you do little thumb roll, which is just basically this position of your fingers, and then you just turn it around, and with your ring finger you just push it up, and then you replace it on the position how you want it. And while you're doing that, you can grab the scoop and scoop the ice, amount of ice, how much you want it. So basically, as soon as I'm doing this, the customer is concentrating for the movement I'm doing with the glass. Okay, and now I'm gonna fill it up with the ice, and now in front of the guest I can throw this down, and then I can throw it up in here and exchange it, or I can hold in it, check it if it's full, customer put his attention on the glass, and then you just throw the glass without putting this hand for it. You just waiting it for the glass to drop in your hand, and it looks just like this. And after that, you're putting the glass in here. Here is amazed, and this hand is already ready and free to go for your spirits, which you're gonna need it for your cocktail. So you're gonna be basically multitasking one by one, and your hands working on the same time in a different kind of aspects. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any comments or any suggestions what I can make it better, on what I have to improve, or what I can improve, or what you would like to see, let me know in the comments below. And if you like it, please thumbs up, please click on that and subscribe. This will really help me to improve my channel, and we can do it better and more funny content. So till next time, be awesome and keep practicing.